In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expense in QuickBooks. This process is simple and quick, taking just about 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in. Go to the QuickBooks homepage and locate the sign in button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will direct you to a page with various options. From here, select QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is the most versatile choice for managing your expenses on the go, and selecting it ensures you're accessing all the features you'll need. Once you've chosen QuickBooks Online, it's time to log in. Carefully enter your credentials, which include your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Once typed accurately, hit the Continue button. This step is important to ensure you have access to the full suite of tools QuickBooks offers for managing your finances. After successfully logging in, we want to navigate to the Expenses section. You'll find this option in the main menu once you are on your QuickBooks dashboard. Clicking on Expenses will open a new page dedicated to all your financial transactions, providing an overview of your spending. Next, look for the New Transaction button. This is the starting point for adding any new expense. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Expense. It's crucial to select Expense here. This specifically tells QuickBooks that you're entering a financial outlay or payment. Now let's move on to adding the details of your purchase. Begin by entering the name of the payee. The payee is the person or entity who receives the payment. This could be a vendor, supplier, or any service provider whose services you have used. After identifying your payee, your next task is to specify the payment account. This refers to the account from which the funds will be drawn. You'll see options to choose your checking or savings account or any other accounts you've linked to QuickBooks. Next in line are the item details. Here include specifics of what the payment was for, like product descriptions, service details, and any relevant notes that clarify the purpose of the expense. This step is key for keeping track of what each amount was spent on, ensuring transparency in your accounting. Once you've provided the item details, it's time to note down the payment method. Choose from options like credit card, bank transfer, or other available methods. Selecting the correct method helps in accurately updating your financial records. The last step is to save your entry. Look for the Save and Close button that is typically located at the bottom of the form. Clicking this will save the expense to your records and close the entry form. And there you have it, your expense is now added to QuickBooks. With these steps, you can efficiently keep your finances organized and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful QuickBooks tutorials.